Hello, in this video I will show you how to prevent user input a name twice. So to do that, you select all the columns and then you select data. Then select data validation, select data validation again, allow customer, and then input the formula equal count if blank. Select all the columns again, then input comma A1. Okay, and close the bracket. Equal 1. Click OK. Oh, sorry, count if. I'm missing T here. Okay. Then, for example, you can input A, B, C. If you input A again, it will give you an error message. The value don't match. So because the error message is not clear, we can clear all the error alert. We can see, sorry, you can not input same name twice. Okay. Then, for example, if you input B again, sorry, you cannot input same name twice. Okay. So hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.